everyone, happy Father's Day. Today we're going to be making a new take on a greeting card. So this is what it looks like. It's like a little gift for Dad, and Dad will just open it up, and on the inside it shows you 5 things I love about Dad. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to get 8 popsicle sticks, the large popsicle sticks. If you don't have large popsicle sticks, you can just use cardboard. I just created a stencil and traced the size and shape of a large popsicle stick and cut them out. And then once you do that, you're going to use tape to connect the popsicle sticks. And you just want to make sure that you leave a little tiny bit of space in between so that you can easily roll up the popsicle sticks. The next step is to design the sides of each popsicle stick. What I did for that is, as you can see, I just drew a line with a ruler down each side of the popsicle sticks, and then I used marker to color in the designs. And you can just really be creative with this. You can do, if you look, you can see I just made different patterns and different colors for my popsicle stick. Once you're done designing the sides of your popsicle sticks, you're going to need to get a piece of paper. I used white paper because it's all I had on hand. And you're just gonna want to measure the inside panel of your popsicle sticks. And then what you're gonna do is use your glue stick to glue the paper in the middle. And I used a lot of glue, and then you're gonna wanna press it down really hard so that when you roll it, it doesn't crease, okay? The third step is to write on the top the 5 things I love about Dad. And then I drew a squiggly line to separate the 5 things. And then on the bottom, I wrote Happy Father's Day. Now I wrote, number 1, you can fix anything. Number 2, you tell great stories. Number 3, you visit me. Number 4, you're funny. Number 5, I love you. But you can write anything you want. What do you love about your dad? And that's what you're gonna write here. The last step is to roll up your creation. And then you're just gonna take some ribbon or whatever you have to tie it with, and you're just gonna tie a bow around the message, just like that. So Dad can open the message and be so happy to see the 5 things that you love him for. So there's our craft for Father's Day. I hope you all have a safe and wonderful Father's Day and enjoy your day with your dads. Happy Father's Day!